Can you guess the most popular snack in the US? If you guessed Doritos, you're wrong. Doritos is actually second place. Over 1 billion bags of Doritos are sold every year. Surprisingly, this popular snack was born at Disneyland. Dorito comes from the Spanish Doradito, meaning little golden fried thing. In the early 60s, Casa de Fritos had leftover tortillas. Instead of tossing them, a clever manager said, "Fry them." The first flavor, toasted corn, hit shelves nationwide in 1966. A year later, the iconic taco flavor joined the party. But beware, Doritos aren't without danger. In 1993, a man sued Frito-Lay, claiming the sharp chips scratched his throat. As for the safest and #1 snack in the US, it's Rice Krispies Treats.